A version of Spanner you can download and run in your own infrastructure? Yes, please. Whether your business requires a specific cross-cloud or hybrid strategy, or you have strict data sovereignty regulations, or you're a developer looking to build locally before committing to the cloud, Spanner Omni is for you. Spanner is Google's asset-compliant, interoperable distributed database. It's an always-on, highly available managed database that delivers multi-modal features like graph, vector search, operational analytics, and more on top of relational and schema-less tables. Now you can have all that multi-model goodness in your virtual machines, containers, or Kubernetes clusters with the same scalability of a managed Spanner instance. You get automated sharding and the same read and write horizontal scalability while you scale compute and storage independently according to your needs. So, how do you get started? Let's look at a local deployment using Docker. First, make sure your environment meets the minimum requirements and Docker is installed. While you download the image and the CLI, create a Docker volume. This ensures your data stays persistent even after your container runtime is gone. Start the container, connect to it, and create a database. And you're ready to use your local Spanner Omni with Google SQL, PostgreSQL, or Graph Query language. And if you simply want to explore or learn, you can find a list of sample tables with data you can load to start experimenting right away. For more advanced implementations like virtual machines or Kubernetes, you'll find further instructions and Helm chart examples for other cloud providers in the description of this video. Have fun!